cart favicon icon displays a new favicon when the customer puts something in the cart. And to install the cart favicon, all you need to do is to head to the theme settings, go down to Debutify Add-ons, and then just scroll down and turn on cart favicon. So the normal favicon is just the Debutify logo, and the cart favicon is one with a little red dot. You can change that at the top of the theme settings. So let's just put something in the cart. And there we go, little red dot, nice and easy. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.